Hey everyone, my name is Chad Crowell, one of the authors of the live project series called CKA Exam, Hands-on Practice. And in this video, I'd like to show you what I like about live project and show you some examples from one of our projects in the series. If you wanted to locate the series, you can do so by going to acingthecka.com/project. And you can go through one or more of the 5 projects in this series. One of the projects that I want to show you is called Prevent Data Loss. And the first thing I like about these live projects is that there's a clear objective right up front. So you have a mission or a problem that you're trying to solve, and it's through the context of you're working for a company, you're put in this situation, very much like in the real life, you have to solve this problem in order to perform your daily duties. So if I scroll down a little bit, I can get some more detail about this problem. We go through the workflow section, which is, I like to think of it as a more senior person looking over your shoulder and offering you suggestions as to how to solve this problem. And then if we scroll down even more, we have clear deliverables. So we have a clear set of guidelines or acceptance criteria, if you will, to submit for this milestone. If you have problems with solving this problem, you also have limited access to manning books, which is really a good feature of this because not only do you have this kind of live project scenario, but you have kind of that background context that you can rely on from the books. You can dive directly into the books, which I'll do by clicking this link. And I can see an excerpt which pertains to this specific problem or this specific milestone. So it's really nice how you can be provided with that background knowledge and maybe even run through some of these examples and get a feel for, how one would solve a problem like this. And last but not least, if you need further guidance, there's a discussion section in the upper right-hand corner. So if I click on discussions, I can see what others are talking about in this particular project and perhaps ask questions to me, the author, and we get to go through this kind of mentor-mentee relationship where we can communicate about this specific milestone and this specific project. So those are just a few of the things that I like about these live projects. And so I encourage you to take advantage of these features and also check out our live project series called CKA Exam Hands-on Practice by me and Michael Levan. Again, my name is Chad Crowell, and I will talk to you in the discussions.